You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this open source database. And if you want to learn more tech terms that are confusing indeed and that too many people get wrong, stay tuned. This is a vector search engine and it's pronounced as Qdrant. Yes, I know the spelling makes it super confusing. I would say Qdrant, but it's actually Qdrant, and a quadrant is actually one of 4 parts created by a plane. A quadrant is how it's pronounced, a circle, an area, a quadrant. So that's how it's pronounced in English, the correct pronunciation, how to pronounce quadrant, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.